Hey, Copper Nerds! As promised, my kids are home from college. One of my sons is collecting half cents, so I stole a few of them to look at. Let's get into it. These really are some cute little copper coins, so I'm just going to pull them out and preview sort of the three primary types of half cents until you get into those really early expensive dates. The Liberty caps are certainly tough to come by. I noticed when I was putting this one in the capsule that it fit pretty tight in the foam. There we go. This particular draped bust my son Jordan got before we went and took Jim Carr's Early American Copper course at the ANA, and Jordan wasn't able to go last year because he had some college summer school obligations, but 2 years ago we went, and this was the coin he was excited to bring with him. He got this one from Tom Deck. Looks like our variety is a C10 crosslet 4 with stems, and as always I try and save some provenance info. This came from the Twin Rivers collection, and Tom described it as medium to dark brown with caramel hints, some circulation marks, crosslet 4 with stems, and C10 as the variety. And, this is the proper way to store copper, but in my family, we like to use some capsules just because we like to pull them out and look at them pretty often. But interesting that the diameter was substantially larger on that draped bust. Next to the classic head, which is honestly, Draped Bust and Classic Head, pretty affordable. It's actually your braided hair that get expensive for the more common later half cents. I'm not going to reveal too much in this video because I think Jordan's going to watch it, but he will have some half cent surprises come Christmas. So I'm going to keep these for a while and then dig into them a little bit further between now and then, but this particular classic head half cent actually came from my collection. This was a half cent that I had before Jordan expressed interest in half cents rather than large cents, and so I passed this one on to him, his collection. I got it from our local coin shop here. But nice enough little 1835 classic head. We have not done variety attributions yet on any of these, except for the one that Tom did for us. But I just got done talking with Ed Furman today. And if you don't know Ed, he is a half cent. He is kind of like the foremost half cent expert, at least that I'm aware of. Lots of books and attribution guides, and he's even got a cool book on half cent error coins. In fact, I'm just going to throw in, let's do this. I'm going to throw in photos of the book covers of all of Ed's books right now, because if you're a half cent collector, you're going to want to know about these. So this is a braided hair half cent, and this is sort of the roughest of the ones Jordan has. It's bent. Looks like it had, I can't tell exactly what mechanical process bent it, but it's dished on the obverse and sort of humped up on the reverse. So this is one that Jordan will want to upgrade, and again, not to foreshadow too much, but Christmas is coming, so we'll see how that all goes. But there is sort of your standard array of affordable half cents before we get back again into our Liberty cap designs, of which there's head facing right and left on half cents. So first look at half cents. In terms of size comparison, here's a couple of large cents just to toss down there next to them. They are definitely small. They're let's look at a Lincoln. They're bigger than a Lincoln cent. How do I not have any quarters sitting up here? Here's a nickel. Yeah, they're a little bigger than a nickel. And I suspect smaller than a quarter, but I can prove that here real quick. Here is a quarter. Yep, they're a little smaller than a quarter, so they're going to be between the size of a quarter and a nickel, and you know, about half the mass of a large cent, I would imagine. So that's what I have got for us today. Jordan's 1853 braided hair half cent, his 1835 classic head, both of which we will attribute after Christmas, and then his 1804 C10 Cohen 10 crosslet 4 with stems. And I will throw in some zooms of each of these, or all of these together probably, as we wrap this one up. But as promised, some half cent content, and there will be more of this later on. So thanks for checking this one out. Feel free to have them in the comments, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.